Next part of the demo is to show you how containers communicate within a pod. So we'll have one pod, and that pod will have two containers, container 1 and container 2, and I'll show you how these containers can talk to each other using localhost followed by the port number. And I have these three pods running, and K8s pods intro 1 and K8s pods with nodes have two containers running in them. Let us go ahead and log into one of the containers of K8s pods intro 1 and try to communicate to the other container in the same pod. These are the two pods, Python web page and HTTP web page. I'll log into Python web page and we'll try to run a curl command to get the HTML response from HTTP web page container. So I'm inside of the pod. Let us go ahead and try to run the curl command. Let us go ahead and use the curl command. I don't think it will work because CentOS 7 does not contain curl in the container image, but you can change the Docker file to do so. So this is the curl command, localhost 80, and okay, it is not working. That is normal because it does not have curl. For this, I have to change the Docker file, upload the image again, and then run the curl command or create the Kubernetes from the new image. What I have done is I have created a new image wherein I'm installing curl and telnet. So I want to use this curl command from the Python web page container. So I have created this Docker file which is installing curl and telnet, and after that I created an image, pushed that image in Docker Hub, and executed the kubectl command, kubectl create pod command to create the new pod. And right now I have one more pod, and the name of the pod is poscontainer.yml. I accidentally put YML, but it's okay, not as there is a demo. So this poscontainer.yml also has two containers. So let us go ahead and describe the container. And it has this Python web page, same container without any label or anything as such, and one more container which is HTTP web page. So I'll log into this Python web page container and we'll try to execute a curl command to get the HTML web page from this container, which is HTTP web page. So I am executing kubectl exec command, and the pod name is podcontainer.yml, and the name of the container is Python web page. So I'm inside of that, and the other container which is running HTTP web page, that is also running here. So now if I run this curl command localhost, I should be able to get the response from the other container, because if there are multiple containers in the same pod, one container can reach the other pod or can communicate with the other pod using localhost. So there you go. I am able to see the output, which is the HTML page, and that is running on port 80. I can mention port 80 also. And instead of localhost, you can try 127.0.0.1 also, which is the localhost alias. Let us go ahead and use the IP address also. So you can use the IP address of the pod also instead of localhost. But the thing is that the using IP address negates the purpose of having multiple containers in the same pod. So you should use localhost only.